You started it too late. What the heck? What is that?
You said start at 0.
What? Started? No, I meant started.
You're kidding me, right? You have got to be kidding me.
You're kidding me, man. You said start. You said
That
start at 0.
No, we didn't. This is the guy that epically failed with the music.
Shut up.
It was Evan. It was
Shut
Evan.
up! Don't
say my name. People are stalking me. It was Evan.
Crap.
Dude,
Give me my stuff, me. Give me the cam, man.
Okay, that guy who had the We Will Rock You, he just totally screwed up the whole video.
He screwed up the music.
Shut
It's actually a pretty good song. Shut.